Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we're going to have a series of Windows 10 videos. I think we're going to take a break a little bit from Windows 11, unless something really important happens for now. I've got quite a few people writing and asking me about the updates in Windows 10. So, of course, Windows 10 right now, if you are at the latest version, is at 21H1. But I do have quite a few people that say that they're on 20H2 right now. And what happens is they don't see 21H1, and we're kind of wondering or worried about the fact that they don't see it on their computers. Like I've said in the past, when you are on an older version of Windows 10, but that it's still supported, don't worry about not seeing the next version. The best thing is if you have the regular updates for security every month and the optional bug fixing updates show up, that means your Windows update is working fine. And if you don't have 21H1 show up, it's simply because your computer isn't ready yet for some reason. There's a lot of reasons, once again, why your computer might not be running 21H1. One of the main ones is if you're running a third-party antivirus. So if you're not using the Windows security app, but you're using a third-party app, another antivirus, these often are slow to update and be compatible with the latest versions of Windows. So that could be one reason. Make sure your driver's up to date for everything. Sometimes it's a driver that's preventing you from moving ahead. It could be a graphics driver. It could be, some device on your system. But overall, Microsoft has telemetry from your computer, so it knows if it should push or not the Windows system for the latest version. Also, it's not being pushed equally to everybody. Sometimes there's delays, and at some point, someday, you'll see that there's going to be that 21H1 available. Remember that on 20H2, you are still supported for that system until early next year. So, like somewhere around May of 2022. So you still got a lot of time left before, moving on. And by that time, 21H2 will be released, and maybe you'll be moving on to that instead. So not to worry. When you're on a supported system, you don't see the latest version of Windows 10, it's fine. Don't worry about it. It'll be okay. And it'll appear when it ever appears. And especially with the fact that 21H1 and even 21H2 coming up are so small updates that have pretty much nothing new to offer to you. It doesn't really matter. The important thing is really to have the security updates. That's the number one, the number one thing you should have. It's very, very important. For the rest, it'll appear when it does. Those that are on version 2004, which is the first version of last year, you guys are getting the last security updates in October or November of this year. So that means that you're getting close. You guys should actually be seeing a optional update. Well, not an optional, because most of you will actually be forced to be pushed to at least 20H2. But most people, from what I see, are actually pushed to 21H1. So you're still supported, but it's getting close to the end. So hang in there. If you're on 20H2 and don't see the other updates, it doesn't matter much, as long as you've got the Windows updates for security every month. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.